The number when divided by 60, it gives a remainder 30. What is the remainder when it is divided by 45? When it is divided by 45, directly students, those who understood the logic can tell the answer orally. 60 and 45. 60, 45. LCM it is 180. 180 goes how many times in 60? It is 60 into 3. So 3 possible reminders you will get it. 3 possible reminders you will get it. I hope the idea it is clear. What are all the 3 possible reminders? When x is 1, when x is 2 and x is 3. X is 1. 90 divided by 45. It is 0. X is 2. 62s are 120 plus 30. 120 plus 30. 150. It is 15. X is 3. 63s are 210. 210 means it is 45 4s are 180. 30. That's what I said. These are all going with a deviation of HCF. You don't need to compute it. I think right now I'm sure you must have got an idea. Next one. A number divided by 13. 9 leaves a remainder. A number divided by 9, it leaves a remainder n. So n is, capital N is 39a plus small n. Divisor into quotient plus a remainder. What is the, if the same number n, it is divided by 65. Remainder it is 12. Remainder it is 12. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus 2. N is 65b plus 12. I hope it is clear. What is the value of n if n is an odd number? A number first it is divided by 39a. Remainder n. A number when divided by 65, it gives a remainder 12. Both are same numbers. 39a plus n equivalent to 65b plus 12. So this will become 39a minus 65b equivalent to 12 minus n. 12 minus n. Now if you see here, 39 it is divisible by 13. 65 it is divisible by 13. This should be divisible by 13. This should be divisible by 13. Now see here. Now see. If it is divisible by 13, what will be the cases? 12 minus n should be divisible by 13. So if it can be minus 13, it can be minus 26. So and so on. So n can be minus 1. N can be minus 1. Or n can be minus 14 and so on. Minus 1, minus 14. It is of the form minus n will be minus 1. N will be minus 1 means it will be divisible by 13. Next it is 26. It is minus 24. 12 minus of minus 14. 26. So minus 1, minus 14, minus 13, minus 27 and so on. N values will be like this. Minus 14 and everything. Now, what is the question? So, what will be the answer? What is the value of n? It is divided by. That means n is divided by 39. N is divided by 39. Remainder, it is n. N is an odd number, right? N is an odd number. So, from here, all the cases we will get. 39 minus 1. 39 minus 1. If you get a negative remainder, add with the denominator. 39 minus 1. 38. It is an even. 39 minus 14. It is 25. It is an odd number. 39 minus 27. 12. It is an even number. So answer is I hope it is clear. Very, very easy, sir. Both are equated with the same equation. 39a minus 65b equivalent to 12 minus n divisible by 13, divisible by 13. 12 minus n should be divisible by 13. That means n will be minus 1. Goes with a deviation of 13 to the left side. 39 minus 1, 38. 39 minus 14. 25. So from there 25 you will get it. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one. Next one. See here 11th question. Read the question, sir. A number, first we will go one by one. A number divided by a divisor leaves a remainder 32. Step by step we will convert it into a mathematical expression. A number divided by a divisor leaves a remainder 32. Number, let me call it as n. Dividend equivalent to divisor. Let this be called as d. I will use d so that I will get a divisor. Quotient I will call it as q. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. N is d into q plus 32. First statement I understood. Convert the second statement into a mathematical expression. 6 times the number divided by the same divisor, it leaves a remainder 48. 6 times the number 6n divided by the same divisor, d. Quotient can be different. Let me call it as q2. Leaves a remainder. How much it is? 48. It is 48. The number is multiplied by 6. It is divided by the same divisor. It is divided by the same divisor. What is the concept that we discussed? Dividend equivalent to. Dividend equivalent to. Divisor into quotient. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient. What is the another point that we discussed? N divided by 3. Reminders will be 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. N is called the dividend. D is called the divisor. That means divisor is always greater than the remainder. This is the point which we wrote. Let me use that point here. Divisor is always greater than the remainder. That means D is greater than 32 here. D is greater than 48 here. So any value greater than 48 is also greater than 32. This is the condition which we should not ignore, because the divisor is always greater than the remainder. What is the next step? So 6n is given by d into q2 plus 48. 6 into q2 plus 48. Now this will be, if I multiply first with 6, 6n will be 6dq1 plus 192. 192. Subtracting it, 6n minus 6n, 0. D into 6q1 minus q2, or subtract first with the second. If I subtract, why unnecessarily getting into a negative value? I hope you are all, these I multiplied by 6. So this will be, second is 6n equivalent to d into q2 plus 48. Now listen carefully. 6n minus 6n, 0. D into q2 minus q6q1 minus 144. I hope it is clear. So D into q2 minus 6q1 equivalent to 144. Equivalent to 144. Now we got the cases. D should be greater than 48. D should be greater than 32. That means 144 into 1. D 144 possible case. 72 into 2 possible case. 48 into 3, not possible case. 36 into 4, not a possible case. Are you all with me? How to find out the factors? 144 it is. 2 power 4 into 3 square. First write down 1. 144 by 1 is 1. Second write down 2. 144 by 2 is 72. Third write down 3. 144 by 3 is 48. Because first into last is the number. So I am trying to find out the numbers which are greater than 48. Two cases I got, 144 and 72. So how many divisors it can take? Two divisors it can take, and the values are 144 and 72. 144 and 72. I hope this idea it is clear. Divisor should always be greater than the remainder, or the remainder should always be less than the divisor. When you divide a number by 5, you will get the remainders 0 to 4. You will get the remainders 0 to 4. These values are less than this value. These values are remainder. Remainder it is less than divisor. That means divisor is greater than remainder. I hope the idea it is clear. Very good question. Based on division algorithm, each and every statement convert it into a mathematical expression and